वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल गुमाकट ओल्डीज। उम्मीद रखते हैं कि आप हेल्दी एंड हैप्पी होंगे। आज हम आपको लेके जा रहे हैं मस्कट में रसल हाट टर्टल बीच, जिसकी आगे की डिस्क्रिप्शन हमारी ग्रैंड डॉटर प्रियाशा मिश्र दे रही है।
Welcome to Gumakat Oldies. I'm excited to explore Russell Chin's Turtle Reserve with you. Its pristine beaches and vital turtle conservation efforts. Like, share and subscribe for more adventures. Your support means everything. Let's uncover Russell Chin's magic together. We are now going to Russell Hut, that is near Russell Chin's Turtle Reserve. After some seconds, we are going to enter a new district. Russell Hut, located in Oman, is a vital nesting site for endangered green turtles. This area is a part of Russell Chin's Turtle Reserve, where thousands of turtles come to lay eggs. It's also a popular tourist spot, known for its beauty beaches and turtle watching opportunities. Turtle reserves are essential for conservation of endangered turtle species by protecting crucial nesting sites, maintaining healthy ecosystems, and providing safe habitats free from human threats. These reserves facilitate research, contributing to more effective conservation strategies, and serve as educational centers to raise awareness about turtle conservation. Additionally, they support local economies through ecotourism, which fosters sustainable practices. Examples like Tortuguero National Park in Costa Rica and Kahil Matha Marine Sanctuary in India highlight their global importance. Overall, turtle reserves play a crucial role in preserving biodiversity and ensuring the survival of turtle populations. Right now, we are going through Wadi Al Arbin. Wadi Al Arbin is in the north of Oman, which is fully covered with valleys and dramatic canyon scenery. It offers visit. This is 85 years old. This is the World War runway. Russell Hut airfield, situated near Russell Chin's on Oman's eastern coastline, was a vital military outpost during World War II. Constructed by the British Royal Air Force, it operated as a key base of Allied forces in the region. Airfield's strategic location facilitated operations spanning from the Arabian Peninsula to the Indian Ocean, supporting reconnaissance missions, aerial patrols, and logistics for the Allied war effort. Over the years, the airfield has attracted interest for its wartime relics. During remnants of airstrips and infrastructure that offer insights into its operational history and the broader context of Oman's role in World War II. Today, efforts are underway to preserve these historical sites and integrate them into heritage tourism initiatives, highlighting Oman's strategic importance in wartime contributions. Right now, I am standing amidst the remnants of Russell Hut airfield near Russell Chin's. I am humbled by its historical significance in World War II. The quiet echoes of wartime operations offer a poignant reminder of Oman's strategic role in shaping global events. Tomorrow morning at 4, I embark a journey to the turtling area near Russell Chin's, eager to witness this natural wonder. Now we reach the sea turtle area. The sea turtle have a fascinating nesting process. When it's time to lay eggs, female turtles come ashore usually at night. They find a suitable spot on a sandy beach and use their flippers to dig a nest, about 18 to 24 inches deep. After digging, they lay between 52 to 100 soft, leathery eggs depending on the species. Once the eggs are laid, the female turtle carefully covers the nest with sand to protect it from predators and regulate the temperature. With influences of the hatchlings, warmer sand produces females with cooler sand produces males. After covering the nest, the female turtle returns to the ocean, leaving the eggs to incubate for about 6 to 10 weeks. When the eggs hatch, the baby turtles are called the hatchlings, which emerge and make their way to the sea, usually guided by the moonlight reflecting off the water. This journey is fraught with danger, but those that reach the ocean begin their lives in the marine environment. This incredible nesting process ensures the continuation of sea turtle species and is vital for the health of marine ecosystems. Female sea turtles come ashore at night, dig nests, lay eggs, and cover them with sand. Afterwards, they return to the sea, leaving the eggs to hatch on their own. Hatchlings emerge weeks later and instinctively head to the ocean.